David.
I'm Candy.
And this is the Gray Wolf Adventures. Today, we're about to head out here shortly. We've been at Twin Oaks RV Resort in Elko, Georgia. It's right off I-75. Not hard to get to. They got about 63 spots. They got a pool for the kids, gazebo, community room with a couple big couches, TV. On the weekends, from my understanding, they do a little bit of grilling out. Just bring a side dish, have a good time. They also have a dog park for y'all pet lovers out there. We had our 2 rats with us this weekend, and they went and enjoyed the dog park for a little bit. Outside that, it's real quiet. Real friendly people. It was a great weekend. Y'all should come check them out. If you like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next trip. She got a little fluffy dog.
My fluffy dog. Boom, boom, boom.
That felt good, didn't it? Y'all run up on her.
Hey, babe.
They got her scared. Hi. Hanging out here at Elko. Twin Oaks RV Park in Elko, Georgia. Got a good little fenced-in dog area. Got a clubhouse. Got the ring toss, cornhole, big old swimming pool. Hang on, I gotta clean up.
Clean up on aisle 9.
Shovel me.
It's gonna be on YouTube. Yeah, huh?
Ellie, your mom's doing a video.
You gonna be on YouTube? Come on. I caught that. I caught that. She slid. Riley! Riley!
Jump outside. Hey, jump outside on.
Some fun in the pool. Beach bum. Pool bum.
Are you putting this on Ethan?
I'm just gonna put my bathing suit on.
Okay, now you putting this on Ethan?
Yeah.
Yeah.